I told you the story about the Indian lady who was weaving this beautiful rug. And I took this class in New Rochelle College when I was into weaving. I had a loom and all that stuff. And one of the women in our class said, whatever her name was, she was Indian, she said, "You have a mistake right there." So the woman said, "Yeah, I have a mistake." So she says, "How can you make a mistake? You just get on that loom and do these beautiful things." She said, "If you look at any carpet made by the Navajos, the Sioux, there's one little mistake. You may find it in the bottom. You may find it over here. But it's a very inconsequential thing. But it is a mistake. So why do they make that mistake?" The girl said to her, "Well, why did they make that mistake? They know how to do." Because only God is perfect. We're not perfect. Only God is perfect. And that's why we always put one little mistake in the rug. Mm. And I thought that, I've never forgotten it. She was a wonderful lady, but I never forgotten it. It's true. We don't make these choices as to when you're coming, when you're going. It happens when it happens, and that's it. But enjoy what you have here now. Don't be complaining about every damn thing that's going on.